Hello students, welcome back to our mathematics class. My name is Anjali and today we are going to continue our chapter 7 for class 7 students and of the mathematics subject. So students, I hope you all are fine and safe at your places. Let's begin with our today's class. Now students, I'm going to show you something, okay? Just have a look at it. What is it? Yes, it is a triangle. Very good students. And students, basically a triangle has how many sides and how many angles? Yes, a triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles and also 3 vertices are also there. Very good. So, if I ask you that I give you 2 sides, okay, I ask you to draw the same triangle, but I only give you the 2 side and 1 angle. So, will you be able to draw the triangle? Yes, definitely students, you will be able to draw if I give you the 2 sides and 1 angle of this triangle. Yes, very good. So students, now let us see that if we can have the same copy of this triangle if I only give you the measurements of the 2 sides and 1 angle, okay, of the previous triangle. Very good. So you have the clarity of it now. So students, if I ask you that how will you show that these two triangles are congruent to each other? The triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Okay, so students, I hope you might not have the idea because these things we have not discussed. We have discussed only the side congruence. If you are saying that can also we do, but we don't have the third side over here. We have two angles and two sides and one angle. So students, today our topic of discussion is this only regarding the SAS congruence of triangles, and we are going to discuss its concept, theorem with a few application of it. Okay. So our topic is students SAS congruence of triangle. We are going to discuss its concept, theorem and application. Very good students. So now let us see that what actually we mean by the concept of SAS congruence of triangle if we are saying that the two triangles are congruent by SAS rule. Okay. So SAS basically students, what can you understand by SAS word? Yes, this is the short form of side, angle, side. Okay, side, angle, side. So you must be getting an idea that we have something related to two side and one angle of the triangle. Okay. Yes, you are absolutely correct. So students, the SAS congruence of triangle state that the two sides and the angle included between them. Okay. Let me try draw a triangle. It will be more clear to you if I explain it with the help of diagram. So now students, you can see over here that if we have the two sides, let us consider side AB and BC, and this is triangle PQR. So you can see that if I consider this side AB and this side BC, and the angle between AB and BC is, yes, angle B, which is the included angle. Okay, it must be the in between the two sides. Okay, so if this is equal to the another triangle PQR, the sides PQ, QR, and the angle included between them. Yes, so by means we are saying that AB will be equal to PQ, angle B will be equal to angle Q, and angle BC will be equal to QR. So students, if we are fulfilling these two conditions, we will say that these two triangles are congruent by, yes, SAS congruence rule. Remember students, this angle must be the included angle between the two sides. Okay, side AB and side BC. This is B angle is included. Uh, in the side between PQ and QR, angle Q is included. Okay, like this. Now students, if we have a congruency symbol, we know that it is denoted by this. So congruence of triangles means all the corresponding angle pairs must be equal and the corresponding side must be equal. Okay, but specifically if we are talking about SAS, very good, the two sides and the angle included, that must be equal. Then we can say that these two triangles are congruent by SAS rule. So students, are you able to find out any congruency by SAS if we have to highlight over here? Yes, these all are looking like the houses or the buildings, like same. Oh, now students, if we consider the two sides, okay, and one angle included between them to be equal to the other two sides and angle included between it to be equal, then definitely we will say what? Yes, we will say that they are congruent by SAS. So if I'm focusing upon only these two, okay, just see. So students, are you able to see what I'm trying drawing? Okay, if you are not, no issues. I will draw another again for you. Yes, so I'm taking only example of the two houses from here. Okay, so you can see that the two sides and the angle included between them is exactly equal to the two other sides of the other triangle and the angle included between them. Okay, so they are congruent by SAS rule. Now students, it's time for you to answer it as true or a false statement, that two triangles are congruent if two sides and an angle included of one triangle is equal to the two sides and an angle included of other triangle by SAS rule. You can write your answers in the comment section, students. Basically, it is asking about SAS congruence. So keep in mind what are the necessity things for the two triangles to be congruent by SAS rule. Okay, side, angle, side. Very good, students. So if you are saying it as a true, you are correct. It is absolutely a true statement, because just now we have seen the concept of SAS congruence. So by this it is congruent. Students, what do you observe on your screen? Yes, it's looking like a kite is there. Okay, and are we seeing few of the sides which are given equal to us in the triangle? Focus on in ABD and DDC. Yes, they are given. And students, are you able to find out a right angle triangle also in it? Yes, definitely we can see an angle also, which is this right angle triangle, which we can say right angle, or another angles also. But I have highlighted the right angle. Let us discuss, students, a theorem related to this concept only, which is SAS congruence theorem. So what it actually states, side, this is not side students, this is side angle side. Okay, side angle side congruence theorem states that if two sides and the angle formed by these two sides are equal to the two sides and the angle included of another triangle, then these are said to be, yes, they are said to be congruent. Now students, let us take first of all two triangles. Okay. Now tell me that what are the first of all given with this in order to prove this theorem? Yes, we are actually given with the two triangles ABC, PQR and the two sides and one angle included between them which is equal. Like AB is equal to PQ and BC is equal to QR. And angle B equal to angle Q because it is the included angle. Now students, we have to prove actually, yes, that these two triangles are congruent. We have to prove this much. So what we will do in order to prove this? Yes, similarly, what we can do, we can try to superimpose one triangle on the other triangle. Okay, superimposing ABC on PQR, ABC triangle on PQR. So what we will get? Yes, we will get AB. Now the PQ will be hidden by AB, so we can say that AB lies on the PQ. AB lies on PQ. It means AB is equal to PQ, and this thing is also given to us. Now students, if we superimpose a BC on PQR of another triangle, yes, so we will say that it will exactly be superimposing it since they are given equal to us. So after superimposition also we will find equal. And what about students, one included angle between these two sides AB and BC? Yes, which is angle B and angle Q. So that will be also equal. Angle B will be equal to angle Q. Now students, you can say that this is the side, this is also side, and this is one angle. So now we have three things. So we can say yes, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Okay? Yes. So this is what students SAS congruence theorem is stating. Okay? Good. So we have proved it also, students. Now students, I am going to give you one question from my side, that suppose this we have taken, this theorem randomly we have taken. Okay? Now just focus, if I am giving the measurements AB is equal to 5 centimeter and PQ equals to 5 centimeter. Okay, I am giving BC equal to 10 centimeter and QR equals to 10 centimeter, and I am giving you the angle A equals to 45 degree and angle P equals to 45 degree. Consider these three situations, students, which I have given you, okay, for these two triangles. Now tell me, okay, let me take it on the other slide so for your more clarity. Now students, you have to tell me that for, are these two triangles congruent or not? If I give you this information, okay, just tell me. Okay, so if students, for that you have to be very careful that what you need to actually check. Okay, so students, are these two triangles coming out to be congruent for you? Very good, they are not congruent. And have you got the point that why they are not congruent? Very good, students, because we are given with the side AB equal to PQ, we are given BC equal to QR 10 centimeter we are given. But students, what we need angle included between these sides if we have to show it by SAS congruence. Okay, but this angle A and angle P, they are not the included angles between these two sides AB and BC. Very good, students. So we will say therefore triangle ABC is not congruent to triangle PQR by SAS. Okay, they are not congruent by SAS. Very good, students. So now let us proceed further. So students, what is it written in front of you? Yes, there is some information they are giving us, and they are trying to find, they are asking us to find out something, okay, and give reason. So basically, student, now we are going to what? We are going to discuss the applications of the SAS congruent triangles. Okay. So students, just read out the thing which they are asking aloud, and just have a get an understanding what they are giving us or what they are asking from us. Let me zoom out a bit so that you can see the calculations more clearly on the board. So students, in the figure, they are saying that AB is equal to the AC and AD is the bisector. And we already know that what is the bisector, right? Which bisects an angle into the two equal angles. So what they are asking us to state the three pairs of equal parts in the these triangle ADB and ADC. So you can write triangle ADB and ADC. Now, so first question they are asking, we have to state the three pairs of equal parts, okay, in this triangle. So students, in the triangle ADB and ACD, if we focus, we are already given AB equal to AC. Yes, one part is this only equal by given that AB equal to AC, which is given to us. And students, what can you say about, is there any other side which you can see equal in these two triangles, ADB and ADC? Very good. You are finding out that, ma'am, there is the bisector which is AD, that is common in both the triangles ADB and ADC. So we can write that AD is equal to AD, which is the common side. And what about the student? The third pair also they are asking, two pairs we have given, two sides. Since we have given some bisector of BAC, so students, I can say bisector bisects the angle in the two equal angles. So very good. The third equal part you have identified. It is angle BAD and BAC, which are equal. So they are, because AD is the bisector of angle BAC. Very good. And the second question, students, they are asking that is triangle ADB is congruent to ADC or not? Let us see that how you will do it. Yes, very good. So you can see we have two sides and one angle. So we can say ADB triangle is congruent to ADC by, student, don't forget to write the reason in the bracket, right? By SAS. So we are saying yes, these triangles are congruent. Now students, let us move ahead and tell me that whether these two triangles shown are congruent or not, and if they are, then by which rule? Very good. You are very correct. These are congruent. Yes. 3 inch of one side of one triangle is equal to the OM, which is 3 inch of another triangle. Similarly 4.5, and the angle is also included between them. Yes, basically students, so we can say yes, they are congruent. Let us proceed ahead now students. You have to choose the correct option, that which congruence criteria you will use in the following figure to prove the congruency. Okay. So students, you can see the two triangles, which is a blue triangle and a orange triangle, and two sides we are given, and four sides. Actually this is a square, all the sides are 10. Okay. So now tell me which criteria will you follow. Very good. You are going to follow SAS, two sides and one angle included between it. So students, what have we studied in our today's class? Yes, today we have learned about the congruence of triangle, which is SAS congruence of triangle, its concept, theorem and application. So students, if two sides and the angle included between one triangle are equal to the two sides and angle included another triangle, so the two triangles are said to be congruent by which rule? Very good, by SAS rule. And similarly students, how can you say the two triangles are congruent if we are given that AB is equal to AB, AD is equal to BC, and angle is given, included angle between them? Very good. So you will say that if angle A is equal to angle B, so we can say where in the second statement it is correct, because triangle ABC congruency, we have to see the congruent part. So A is congruent to B. Definitely we can say that ABC is congruent to BAD in the second statement. And student, if you have to use the SAS criteria over here, then what you will show? Yes, you will show over here that AB will be equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, and the angle B, yes, it is equal to the angle Q of another triangle, which is included angle between both the sides. Now students, it is homework time for you. What you have to do is that given below are some of the measurements. Okay. So just take these measurements of triangle ABC and DEF, and what you have to do is examine whether the two triangles are congruent or not. Okay, by SAS congruence rule. If they are congruent, you have to write them in the symbolic form. If they are not, then also. And question 2 is that Jolly was doing geometrical construction assignments in a notebook. She drew an isosceles triangle on a page and she marked LM as the midpoint of the PQ and QR of that triangle. Okay, and N as the midpoint of the third side. So she is stating that LN is equal to MN. You have to tell that is Jolly right or not. Okay, and activity student you have to perform is that collect and draw a few triangles by using some materials of the same color or same size. You can say use the protractor and ruler to find out their measurements. What you will do, you will check that whether the two triangles are coming out to be congruent or not, especially by SAS congruence rule. Okay, you have to examine for the SAS congruence rule. So students, I hope you will do this activity and this homework in your at your homes, and if you have any kind of doubt, you can mention always in the comment section. Okay. Yes. So till then students, thank you and have a nice day. We will be meeting now in our next session.